Cut Citroen crucifix key. Enter cutaway bidding on application. Input SX9 on searching bar. Crucifix key has 4 sides. Get the biddings from each side. Install the original key on the clamp according to the picture. Click Identify. Machine starts to identify every bidding of the key. Key biddings appear on application. Click the cut and start to cut the key. Get biddings from the other side. Install the original key on the clamp. Depending on the guiding picture, click Identify. The bidding of the other side is already. Install the key blank that we cut. Start to cut the key. Compare with the original key and have a try on ignition lock. Nice, perfect cutting.